Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So, here's why your videos might not be helping as many people as what you would like. Okay? So, there are a number of reasons why, people might be striving to help a certain number of people in the videos, but just aren't hitting that number. If you maybe want to help 1,000 people every time you launch a video, but you're only having one person actually watch it, there's a couple reasons why. So, we're going to be talking about that so that you can start to help more people. Okay? So, step one, your videos might be too logical, okay? So once somebody was telling me that you're not going to be able to logic someone into listening to you, okay? You have to be able to talk to them emotionally. You have to be able to continuously do different things to get people's attention back, okay? For an example, have you ever seen, we're going to see like a WWE press conference, right? The people who are the biggest in the WWE, like The Rock, John Cena, different things like that. Some more household names. Randy Savage, different people like that. Undertaker, right? They're the people who can make the most entertaining and entertainment value. Okay? Because they're constantly doing something you wouldn't expect. Maybe they're dropping from the top of the ring. Maybe they're falling in from the ceiling. Maybe they are just louder. They're getting more press conferences. They're just around more, right? But it's all about how much entertainment they get, rather than them just saying, I'm the best wrestler. I have the best skills. Watch me because I'm great. No, because you wouldn't watch that. The only thing that you're really going to watch and pay attention to and actually get helped by is stuff that you are emotionally drawn to. Okay? Step number 2, you don't understand what people actually want. Okay? Very critical. In order for you to be able to help more people with your video content, you have to be able to understand what their end goal is. For example, if you're trying to help more people, right? And you know that the people who are going to be watching your video are into, learning how to read faster. Are you going to make your videos about how to watch more television? Are you going to be watching or making videos about, how to go run faster? No. If what their end goal is to how to learn how to read faster, your video should be something about reading faster, helping them get to that end goal because that's what they're already interested in. Okay? Lastly, you might not have a call to action that is relevant to them. For example, going back to our reading example, if the person wants to read fast and you say, hey, go check out my website because it has tips on how you can go and drive a car like a professional race car driver, they're not going to listen. If your call to action is still, hey, do you want to learn how to read? That might be a little bit closer, but that's still not exactly what their end goal is, right? In order for you to be able to help more people, you have to be able to hone in on exactly what they want and give them exactly what they want. Reflect their wants and desires back to them in order to get them to pay attention and actually, take the end goal or next step toward your end goal, which is to sign up to be a client or to actually get help from you. Okay? Hopefully that video has helped you. If you want to learn how to help more people, I recommend you go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's going to be a link in the description below. Okay? Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.